ก็ไม่ค่อยอะ
ข้าวที่แล้ว Mekong River.
Is it Mekong? Oh, this is a Mekong, he says.
เชียงแมนบ้านเชียงแมน
Oh, Banchaman.
Okay, we go Kinjo.
There you go.
There's this cow, they have free water over there. And just take a look.
Okay. Okay. I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
กบไปเบิ้งนั่งนั่งน้ำแป๊บซี่ให้หลานมาเด้อน้ำแป๊บซี่กับแม่โคล่าบอก
Yeah, looks like Valerie got a discounted price for the boat tour. They said it's a 1-hour boat tour, and I'm not sure what I can see, but maybe we'll just go. And this is the stairway we just came down, and behind that is the Wat Xieng Thong.
That's Mekong River.
Yeah.
But on that village in the field in Laos.
Yeah.
บ้านเชียงแมนบ้านเชียงแมน
Shenmen village, and so this is, they say it's Mekong,
Mekong River.
but the other side is not Thailand, still Laos. Oh, I think he's gonna move the boat over here so we can stay.
He have this cow for free for water.
Wow.
If not free water, I don't go.
Okay.
I'm hard. I just not gonna drink water.
He gave us a free water. Valerie is a good negotiator.
It's not cheap. He don't go.
Yeah.
ต้องไปตัวคนอื่นเนี่ยก็ไปหาได้รอบสาย
ยามคำอยู่ตรงนี้เนี่ยใหญ่
So he's
Need a small boat
moving the boat.
just for 1 hour.
Yeah. And he's gonna back up the boat. And, oh, $15 per hour. So we can all get on.
Free water, put on and
Okay.
shopping around.
Okay. Yeah, I noticed it's not very busy here. Right now it's the middle of July, and I don't see too many tourists here in town. So
You need a job.
yeah, everybody is hungry. Looks like that's a good deal for us. Yeah, I expected to see more people actually. So, and we get to stay cheap at a hotel. How much was a hotel, Valerie?
$15.
$15 a night for 2 people in one room with a bath and air conditioning, and that is a good deal.
They have expensive $2,000 a night too. But we don't go.
Yeah. There is a gigantic hotel, luxury hotel that charges $2,000 a night. But obviously, we're not doing that. Instead, we chose $15. That's a pretty good deal. Okay.
Let's go.
All right. Okay, go ahead. Oh, maybe I go first?
You go first.
Okay. Yeah. Here you go. Farang goes first now.
เป็นฝรั่งด้วยไอ้น้องเขยยัง
Cool. Okay. So, we're on the boat, floating on the Mekong, Namakon, mother of all rivers. So they named it Mother Kon, and that's Mekong. The temperature should be somewhere around 30 degrees Celsius, but nice breeze is going. I feel good, not bad.
นั่งกินน้ำมีแคมมีเป็นแบบวิวได้แต่มวนบ่นี่มวนอุ้ยแอมมินเดี๋ยวไม่เดียว
แม่น้ำเป็น
สบายดี สบายดี
This town is surrounded by beautiful mountains. Wherever you look, it's mountains. And over there, someone is probably cooking barbecue. I see smokes. And, skip
ฮัลโหลได้ยินเสียงน้องมั้ย
On this side, there's a town of Luang Prabang, so there are temples, shops, and hotels, everything on this side.
เที่ยวเป็นยังไงก่อน
It's a nice, relaxing day with a breeze going througthe boat that's floating on Mekong.
เอาจากห้องน้ำแล้วตุ๊กๆคนพามาโหดโหบนพักยันพักลงพักอยู่ข้างพระราชอาเดียงหลักบ้านมีซุนมัน3 มื้อน้องมี4 มื้อ
I see some rain clouds. We might get some rain. But this boat has a roof, so I hope we're okay. We might get wet a little bit, not too much. I hope. See lots of cows or buffalo on
ไป
the
อย่าง
other
วนน้ำมู
bank.
เนาะเห็ดมูกินก็ซื้อหันซื้อนี่ซื้อเหล้าซื้อเบียร์ไปเจ้ากินกับชาลูกข้าเจ้าก็ไปกินกับข้า
Zoom
เจ้า
in a little bit. I see buffalo is eating
เอา
grass.
ใช่น้องไปฮอดเมื่อใดนี่แท้นี่น้องฮอดไม่นี่อันนั้นน้องอยู่นี่ได้3
We're
มื้อ
just walking around. There's a nice house built on the bank of Mekong here. It's a great house, looking good. Has a beautiful backyard facing the river.
น้องอยู่ฮอดวันพฤหัสตอน 6 โมงถึงยนลูกอ้อมแอมอยู่วัดนี่แหละอ้อย่างไปวัดนั้นวัดนี่แหละว่าเราอยากขอน้องเราอยากเบิ่งวัดแน่วันนี้ผมก็จะบ่เคยเห็นพวกพระพวกเจ้าไม่ได้หลายมันเจ้ามันอย่างกันใดวัดเนี่ยแน่นะ
This one over here seems to be incomplete. It's halfway built. Oh, I see more houses. This one again looks like it's still under construction. Yeah, I see a lot of houses are under construction. There are a couple here. And this one's complete. It looks like a great house with a great view of Mekong.
โอ้ยแล้วลงฉันก็ลง
And here's a big boat.
ยาวมืดๆมาเห็นปัญหาหลักๆ
But many boats are docked today. I don't see too many tourists. So people are idle today.
ไปได้รักษาชีวิตไว้อันไหนที่พ่อขอห้องมาได้ก็ขอห้องไปเอาชีวิตอยู่ก่อนแล้วคอยใช้แบบนั้นเอง
And this one has a big sign says "Welcome to Lambang Garden." So this may be just a garden, or I don't know if it's a name of a hotel, but maybe we'll find out later. Lambang Garden. We just turned the boat around, so now we're headed back to Luang Prabang. And from here, the view is even better.
The mountain and mountain connect together on in the boat.
The both sides of the river are the mountains,
And on the mountain woman and mountain
also
man.
right in front,
The name mountain woman
mountain woman,
and mountain man.
mountain
Go together.
man. Oh, so I guess there are some kind of legends talking about male mountain to female mountain, and then meet together somewhere in the middle. Just like that. Beautiful blue sky and butterflies flying across the river. That's nice. Yeah, we have a great day. Beautiful weather, and it's not too hot. Nice breeze going. It's quite nice here. Now we're closer to Luang Prabang. So the mountains are closer. They look bigger. It's a beautiful day. It's pretty dry, so I don't feel quite hot here. And nice breeze blowing through the boat. Yeah, it's a pretty wonderful short tour, about 1 hour, and we paid $15 for 4 people, and then they gave us free water and coke and stuff. That was a pretty good deal, I would say. It's really a beautiful place, lovely view of lush green on the banks of Mekong. And I started to see a bunch of coconut trees, and that's where we started.